Okay. Um, Good morning, all of you. In this session of class 9 physics, we are going to continue with the chapter motion. Suppose a body is moving, and during the motion of the body, the velocity of the body was initially 10 km per hour, and later on the velocity of the body became 15 km per hour, and this happened over a period of 1 hour. Okay. So the body's initial velocity was 10, later on the velocity became 15, and this change in velocity, it happened over a time gap of 1 hour. So we say that the change in velocity is 15 minus 10 kilometers per hour, and the time over which the change has happened is 1 hour. So 15 km per hour minus 10 km per hour is the change in velocity, and it has happened over a time interval of 1 hour. So we say that the acceleration of the body is 15 minus 10 km per hour divided by 1 hour. That means 5 km per hour square. So this is the acceleration of the body. So what exactly is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Now, suppose if the body starts with a velocity of 15 km per hour and ends with a velocity of 10 km per hour, and it happens over an interval of 1 hour. So the body starts with 15 km per hour, ends with 10 km per hour, and the change in velocity happens over a period of 1 hour. In that case, the acceleration will be 10 minus 15 km per hour divided by 1 hour. So it will be minus 5 km per hour square. Now, here what has happened, the body is slowing down. Its initial velocity is 15, final velocity is 10, so it is slowing down. So the acceleration is final minus initial by time, so it's coming a negative answer. So when acceleration comes negative, it is called retardation. So when acceleration comes negative, it is called retardation. So retardation, that means negative acceleration, right? So what we say is that acceleration is minus 5, and we say retardation is 5, right? So acceleration, you can either say acceleration is minus 5, you can say that, or you can just say retardation is 5. If you say retardation, the word retardation automatically suggests negative acceleration. So if you say retardation, that means it's understood that you are saying that acceleration is minus 5. So either you can say acceleration is minus 5, or you can say retardation is 5, right? So this is the topic for today, and based on this topic and based on whatever we have done in the last two sessions, so I'll give you some cumulative numerical homework today. It will be totally numerical homework, and it will have certain topics from the previous two videos and from today's video also, right? So the homework is number 1. So the homework number one, a car is going from Agra to Delhi. A car is going from Agra to Delhi, a journey of 3 hours with a uniform speed of 70 kilometers per hour. What is the distance from Agra to Delhi? Okay, this is the first question. Question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. There is a car whose journey first 30 km speed is 60 km per hour and next 30 km speed is 40 km per hour. Okay, there is a car whose journey first 30 km speed is 60 km per hour, second 30 km the speed is and by the way this is uniform speed. Okay, this is uniform 60 km per hour and this is uniform 40 km per hour. So there's a car, first 30 km is uniform 60 km per hour, next 30 km is uniform 40 km per hour. What is the total journey time and what is the average speed? So this is number 2. Okay, the next question is that a car is going from A to B in 2 hours and returning from B to A in 3 hours and the distance is 200 km. A car is going from A to B in 2 hours and returning from B to A in 3 hours and distance is 200 km. What is the average speed and what is the average velocity? Okay, next question is car starts from rest and after 2 seconds the velocity becomes 10 meter per second. What is the acceleration of the car? A car starts from rest and after 2 seconds velocity is 10 meter per second. What is the acceleration of the car? This is question number 4. And question number 5, the velocity of a car changes from 50 meter per second to 20 meter per second over a time of 3 seconds. The velocity of a car changes from 50 meter per second to 20 meter per second over a time of 3 seconds. What is the acceleration of the car? So these are the 5 homework questions. Today I have given all the 5 numericals and you have to finish the homework by 9 p.m. Saturday. There is no homework session today. The next homework session is 9 p.m. Saturday. You have to finish by then. That will be all. I'll end the session. Bye all of you.